Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and off optimizations for Windows games. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open Windows settings by selecting the Windows plus I button, and after getting on this window you guys will need to select this display option and scroll down to the last and now select graphics. Now guys, you can see this option called change default graphics settings. Now just select on this. And now guys, here you can see the option called optimizations for Windows games, and if you want to turn on this, then you just need to turn on this button right here like that, and if you want to turn off this option, then you just need to again select this button right here. So that's how you guys can turn on and off optimizations for Windows games in your Windows PC. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also share this video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching.